Somebody please respond. Can you hear my voice? Okay, okay, please. Okay. Can anybody give what is the normal form of a straight line or perpendicular form?
Sir, x cos alpha
Correct.
plus y sin alpha is equal to p sin.
Okay, that is correct. X cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p is called normal form of the straight line. Okay. Now, what is the important condition here? P must be
Greater than 0, sir.
greater than 0. P must be positive. If P is negative, then the equation may be correct. The equation may represent a straight line, that is okay, but the equation is not in the normal form, we say. For example, x cos 30 degrees plus y sin 30 degrees is equal to minus 7. Okay, this equation definitely represents a straight line. There is no doubt. But we say that the equation is not in the normal form. Normal form means right side quantity must be positive. So, how to put it in the normal form? We transfer that minus sign to the left side. Minus x cos 30 minus y sin 30 degrees is equal to 7, and then this minus also should not appear outside. It must be taken into inside the to the angle. It must be given to the angle. So we write x cos 180 plus 30, because cos 180 plus theta is minus cos theta. Similarly, y cos sin 180 plus 30. Sin 180 plus 30 minus sin 30, cos 180 plus 30 minus cos 30. So this is the correct normal form. Now P is 7 positive, and whatever angle is here, same angle must be there here. Same angle. And should not outside plus sign, it must be plus side only, no minus sign. That is called the standard form. Okay, here Tanmayi, what is P? Tanmayi,
Sir,
in the normal form x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to P. P represents what? What is P?
sir, the distance to the
Distance from your house to my house,
no, sir.
Tell me.
Sir, it's the distance from the origin to the point of contact on the
No,
line, sir.
no, origin to the line.
Sir, the perpendicular distance from the origin to
Correct.
the line, sir.
Perpendicular distance from the origin to the line. Or simply you can say distance from the origin to the line. Origin distance means perpendicular distance only. Shortest distance. So that is P. And suppose this point is A, foot of the perpendicular is A. Alpha is the inclination of what? Line L or what? In the equation, normal form, alpha is what? Come on. Angle, it is the inclination of which line? Line OA. That is called the normal from the origin to the line. Normal ray, we say. From the origin to the line, we have to draw a perpendicular, and we have to produce it up to infinity in only one direction. Don't go backwards. Don't go backwards, only forward towards the line, perpendicular to the line. That is called normal ray. Alpha is the inclination of the normal ray. Inclination already we have defined. It is the angle made by the line with the positive direction of x-axis in the anti-clockwise direction. Okay, so these are the things. And in the last class we have seen some examples also. Alpha 30 degrees, alpha 140, 135 degrees, alpha 210 degrees, like that in all the quadrants we have seen. Okay, now let us see the symmetric form of a straight line. Symmetric form or parametric form, all these are just similar only, or distance form. They are just related only, just a small difference, that's all. What is meant by symmetric form, parametric form, or distance form? Let us see. See, I will draw the diagram first. This is y-axis, this is x-axis. Okay. In the symmetric form, a point on the line will be given. So suppose let us draw the line using say blue color. This is the straight line. Okay, a point on the line is given, say here P, x1, y1. A point on the line is given, and also the inclination of the line is given. Inclination of the line means the line is intersecting the x-axis here. Starting from the x-axis in the anti-clockwise direction, we have to go in the anti-clockwise direction. Whatever is the angle, that is called inclination of the line, say theta. Inclination of the line is theta, means tan theta is slope of the line. Okay, so inclination is given. Now, what are the coordinates of a point A, which is at a distance r units from P on the line? That is the question. Understood? What are the coordinates of the point on the line which is at a distance of r units from P on the line? Suppose this is A. PA is equal to R. The distance PA is equal to R. Then what are the coordinates of A? So we will prove that if x comma y are the coordinates, then we are going to show that x is equal to x1 plus r cos theta, y is equal to y1 plus r sin theta. Okay, x is equal to x1 plus r cos theta, y is equal to y1 plus r sin theta. That can be easily shown like this. See, the construction is we'll draw perpendiculars from A to the x-axis. Suppose the foot of the perpendicular is M. From P also we drop a perpendicular to the x-axis. Foot of the perpendicular is N. And from P we drop a perpendicular to the line AM. So let us call this point, say S. This point, let us call it T. Okay. Now P, x1, y1 are the coordinates of P. Means, see, Tanmayi, please answer my questions. X1, y1 are the coordinates of P, is it not?
Yes, sir.
Therefore, ON is equal to what? NP is equal to what? ON is a ON.
Sir, OM is equal to X1, sir.
NP is equal to
Y1, sir.
Y1. Okay. Now, small x comma small y are the coordinates of capital A, the point capital A.
Yes, sir.
Therefore, OM is equal to what?
Small x, sir.
MA is equal to what?
Small y, sir.
Okay. Right. Now, do you agree that PS and TM are parallel? PS parallel to TM.
Yes, sir.
TM is x-axis only. TM is nothing but x-axis. PS and TM are parallel. So now here at the point T, angle is theta. Therefore, what is this angle? This angle at P.
Theta, sir.
They are called what angles? Alternate angles or corresponding angles?
Corresponding angle, sir.
Corresponding angles. Two parallel lines and a transversal. These two are called corresponding angles. So theta, theta, they are equal. Okay. Now I'll remove this. Tanmay, see the triangle APS.
Yes, sir.
Can you see the triangle APS?
Yes, sir.
It is a right angle triangle, do you agree?
Yes, sir.
Because at S 90 degrees is there. Okay, now tell me what is cos theta?
Sir,
Cos theta is PS by PA.
cos theta is equal to PS by PS, sir.
Cos theta is PS by PA.
PA.
But PA is the distance from P to A, that is taken as R, is it not?
Yes, sir.
So PS by R. Now tell me sin theta.
So sin theta is equal to
SA by
PA.
SA by PA. So SA by R. Okay. PA is R. Okay. Now I'll start here. Small x is equal to, see, small x is equal to OM. Do you agree? Here we have taken. Small x is equal to OM. We have written here. OM. OM, is it not ON plus NM? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
OM is equal to ON plus NM.
Yes, sir.
But ON, okay. But NM, is it equal to PS?
Yes, sir.
Come on, see the diagram. PS MN is a rectangle. So therefore, NM is equal to PS. Now, this ON, first term ON, is it not X1? Here, see, in the formula,
Yes, sir.
X1 plus PS from this formula, cos theta is equal to PS by R. Therefore, PS is equal to what?
R cos theta, sir.
R cos theta. So we have proved the first formula. X is equal to X1 plus R cos theta has been proved. Now similarly we'll start with Y. Now Y is equal to, what is Y, Tanmay? We have only told here. Y is equal to MA. See the diagram. Y is equal to MA. MA, is it not MS plus SA?
Yes, sir.
MS, is it not MS, is it not NP?
Yes, sir.
From the rectangle NMSP, so MS is NP. NP plus SA. Now NP, is it not Y1? Here we have written at the top, the bracket, So y1, that one, plus SA from this formula for sin theta. Here you see sin theta is SA by R. Therefore, what is SA?
R sin theta, sir.
R sin theta. So y is equal to y1 plus R sin theta. So, okay. So these are the two formulas. So in this first formula, x is equal to x1 plus r cos theta. See, x1, y1 is a fixed point on the line. So x1 is a constant, y1 is a constant. Okay. So theta is also fixed. Theta is the inclination of the line. So this is a fixed line, so therefore its inclination theta is also fixed. So what is variable in these two formulas? Only r. Only r. R takes what values? 0 to infinity. See in the diagram, all of you see the diagram. If I give r is equal to 0 to infinity, I will get all the points on the line on this side of the line. Okay. R is equal to 1, R is equal to 2, R is equal to 100, R is equal to 1000. So on this line we will go this side. And negative values, R is equal to minus 1, we will go this way on the line. R is equal to minus 1, you will get some point here. R is equal to minus 2, you will get some point here. R is equal to minus 3, you will get some point here. So R negative values will go get the points on the other side of the line. Okay. So R takes values from minus infinity to plus infinity. So in these formulas, first formula x equal to x1 plus r cos theta. Second formula y1 plus y is equal to y1 plus r sin theta. R is called the parameter. R, whatever changes is called parameter. Here R is changing from point to point on the line, different points on the line. It's their distance from the fixed point P is changing. So R is called parameter. Whatever is changing is called parameter. Whatever are constants are called constants. So R is parameter and R is the distance of any point on the line from the fixed point P. Cos theta is also fixed. Okay. X and y are the coordinates. Understood? So this is called normal parametric form. R is called parameter. And it is also called a distance form because R is the distance of any point from the fixed point. And why it is called symmetric form, let us see. Let us go forward and see. Now Tanmay, what are the formulas we have derived? Tell me. What? Wait. What are the two formulas? X equal to
x1 plus r cos theta.
Second formula.
Y is equal to y1 plus r sin theta.
Okay. Now from the first equation, can I write x minus x1 is equal to r cos theta?
Yes, sir.
By cos theta is equal to what?
Sir?
X minus x1 by cos theta is equal to.
Sir.
Similarly, from the second equation, y minus y1 by r is equal to what? Sorry, cos sin theta. Y minus y1 by sin theta is equal to r. Is equal to what? R. Both are equal to r, so I can write x minus x1 by cos theta is equal to y minus y1 by sin theta is equal to r. I can write. Both are equal to r. In this form, if you put the equation like this, then it is called symmetric form. Symmetric form. The symmetry is in the first two terms. X minus x1 by cos theta is equal to y minus y1 by sin theta. It is just like a balance, okay, balance with equal weights on the two pans here, just balanced balance. So both sides same weight. So like that it is there. So that is called symmetric form. That is why it is called symmetric form. Okay. So we'll do, I think, some problems on this now. We can do some problems. Okay. Okay, students, let us do some problems. Write the parametric. Let us consider one example. Write the parametric equations. Write the parametric equations of the line. Write the parametric equation of the line passing through the point. Write the parametric equations of the line passing through the point 3, 2 and making an angle of 135 degrees, making an angle of 135 degrees with the positive direction of x-axis, with the positive direction of x-axis, okay, with the positive direction of x-axis. See, write the parametric equations of the line passing through the point 3, 2, okay, passes through the point 3, 2. That means our x1, y1 is 3, 2. x1, y1 is 3, 2. And what else given? And making an angle of 135 degrees. See, I will draw the diagram. 3, 2 in the first quadrant, is it not? Origin here, 3, 2 somewhere here in the first quadrant. Passing through this point and making an angle of, so such a lengthy description is giving, and making an angle of 135 degrees with the positive direction of x-axis. You need not tell all that. You can simply say that the inclination of the line is 135 degrees, because that is the definition. 135 inclination means it is angle made by the line with the positive direction of x-axis in the anti-clockwise direction only. So every time you need not tell making an angle of 135 degrees with the positive direction of x-axis. All this is not necessary. Already we have defined inclination. You can simply say that inclination of the line is 135. So how do you draw the line? Which line is correct? Tell me, Tanmay. Is this line is correct or this line is correct?
No, sir.
First or second? First or
Second,
second?
sir. Second, sir.
Second one is correct. Very good. Second one is correct. I'll remove the first one. Okay. So where is the angle? 135 degrees? At here, at this point, positive direction of x-axis in the anti-clockwise direction, 135 degrees. Okay. So this is correct. Now x1 y1 is 3 comma 2. Inclination of the line theta is 135 degrees. Now he wants the parametric equation. Come on, Tanmayi, what are the parametric equations? X equal to what?
X is equal to x1 plus r cos theta.
Second one?
Y is equal to y1 plus r sin theta, sir.
R sin theta. Come on, substitute the values now. X is equal to what?
Sir, 3 plus r cos 135.
R cos 135 degrees. Correct. Y equal to?
3 plus r sin 135 degrees, sir.
Y is equal to?
2 plus, sir.
3 plus. You are saying 3 plus. So 2 plus?
R sin 135, sir.
Now in the rough work let us do it. Cos 135 is cos 180 minus what?
45, sir.
Angle around x-axis. So cos only, cos 45 only. But is it plus cos 45 or minus cos 45?
Minus, sir.
Minus cos 45. So that minus cos 45 is what is the value? Minus 1 by root 2. What is the value? Minus 1 by root 2. Come on. So 3 plus r into minus 1 by root 2. So that means minus r by root 2. Okay. Now here sin 135. Sin 180 minus 45. But sin 180 minus theta is what? Come on. Sin 180 minus theta, Tanmayi?
Sin theta, sir.
Sin theta. So sin 45. Sin 45 means what is the value?
1 by root 2 only, sir.
Right. 2 plus r into 1 by root 2. So 2 plus r by root 2. So these are the two equations. Parametric equations. X is equal to 3 minus r by root 2. So y is equal to 2 plus r by root 2. Suppose I put r is equal to 1, Tanmayi. In the diagram, I get a point above or below?
Above, sir.
Above. Compared with this point. Given point is A, 3 comma 2. So r is equal to, suppose I put 1. So I will get a point here. In this formula, r is equal to 1 we have to put. That means x coordinate is 3 minus 1 by root 2, y coordinate is 2 plus 1 by root 2. That point where those coordinates will be the coordinates of a point P, which is 1 unit above here. Okay. Similarly, if you put r is equal to minus 1, you may get a point somewhere here, Q,
Below, sir.
below, like that. Okay. R plus means you go above and R minus means you go below. Right. Okay, let us see the next one. Next one is the general form of the equation of a line. General form. So many forms of the straight line. Equation of the straight line we have seen. General form. General form is nothing but ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. This is called the general form. For example, 3x minus 5y minus 11 equal to 0. For example. So this is, we say that this is the general form of the equation of a line. Okay. That is called the general form. Right. Now, what are the various forms we have seen? First form is y is equal to mx plus c. What is this form called? Come on. Slope intercept form. M is slope. C is what? C is what? Y intercept. Not x intercept but y intercept. That means the line cuts the y axis at 0 comma c. Y intercept c means the line meets the y axis at 0 comma c. Okay. Any line passing through the origin can be taken in the form y is equal to mx. Any line passing through the origin. Right. Okay. Next. What is the intercept form? X by a. 1. X by a plus y by b is equal to 1. This line meets the x-axis at what point? A comma 0. Y-axis at what point? 0 comma b. So this is called intercept form. Next, point slope form. Tell me point slope form. So x1, y1 is a point on the line and m is the slope of the line. Next, 2-point form. Y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 by
x2 minus x1 into x minus x2.
So when 2 points are given, first we calculate m and put it here. In place of m, we will put y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Remaining all point slope form only. Okay, point slope form only. And fifth one we have studied is what? The normal form. X cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to P. P is the perpendicular distance from the origin to the plane, to the line, sorry, and alpha is the inclination of the normal ray drawn from the origin towards the line, perpendicular to the line. Normal means perpendicular only. Okay, next last one we have studied today is the parametric form. So x coordinate is equal to x1 plus r cos theta, y is equal to y1 plus r sin theta, y1 plus r sin theta. Here in this formula, x1, y1 is a known point on the line, fixed point on the line. Theta is the inclination of the line. Theta is the inclination of the line means tan theta is slope only. And r is the distance of any point x comma y from the fixed point x1, y1. R will take positive if you go above, if you go upwards, and R will be taken negative if you go downwards. Okay, so that is what we do. And now conversion of the equations into different forms. Right, okay. So general form is there, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. We want to put it in slope intercept form. We want to put it in slope intercept form means, what is the slope intercept form? Y is equal to mx plus c. How do you put this equation in that form? Y terms on one side, remaining on other side. So we will take by. By we keep on the left side. Ax plus c will take it to the right side. So minus ax minus c. So divide by b. Divide by b. So you will get y is equal to minus a by b into x plus minus C by B. Okay. Y is equal to minus A by B into X. Now it is exactly these two you can compare now. The line is in the slope intercept form. Therefore, what is the slope? M equal to Tanmayi now. Slope M equal to what here? Tell me.
Sir,
Slope M
M is equal to minus A by B, sir.
minus A by B. And of course, y-intercept C is equal to,
Minus 3 by B, sir.
so y-intercept is C here, that is minus C by B here. So this formula is important, slope formula. How do you remember that formula? Slope of the line ax plus by plus c is equal to minus of coefficient of x, that is a, divided by what? Coefficient of, come on,
Y, sir.
coefficient of y. So please remember this formula. Slope of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. The line, slope of the line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is m is equal to minus a by b. That is minus of coefficient of x divided by coefficient of y. Now let us do small problems on this. Okay. So 3x plus 4y plus 7 is equal to 0. What is the slope, Tanmayi?
Sir, minus 3 by 4, sir.
Minus 3 by 4. Minus x coefficient, minus of x coefficient by y coefficient. So 5x minus 2y plus 11 is equal to 0. Slope
Sir, 5 by 2, sir.
5 by 2. Minus of x coefficient by y coefficient minus 2. So minus will cancel out and you will get 5 by 2. Okay. Slope of 11x minus 3y plus 7 is equal to 0 is
11 by 3, sir.
11 by 3. Because we can write this as 11x minus 3y plus 7, we can write it as 11x plus 7 is equal to 3y. Divide by 3, you get y is equal to 11 by 3 into x plus 7 by 3. Now compare it with the equation y is equal to mx plus c. So m slope is 11 by 3. Okay. Now a1x, now formula, next formula. Formulae, two formulae. a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Two lines. Okay, two lines. Are parallel if and only if implies and is implied by. Implies and is implied by, what is the condition? a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2. Or we can write a1 b2 minus a2 b1 is equal to 0. Cross multiplying and rearranging, we get it like that. Or this is nothing but determinant of x coefficient, y coefficient, 2 by 2 determinant is equal to 0. So if you expand this determinant, what do you get, Tanmayi?
Sir, we'll get it as a1 into b2 minus a2 into b1 is equal to
That means A1 B2 is equal to A2 B1. That means A1 by A2 is equal to what? Tell me.
B1 by B2, sir.
Same condition only, is it not? So the determinant, the 2 by 2 determinant of the two lines means x coefficient, y coefficient. Now no constant. Don't take the constant. X coefficient, y coefficient, 2 by 2 determinant 0 equal, determinant equal to 0 is the condition for two lines to be parallel. So how do you prove this? Two lines are parallel if their slopes are equal. Is it not? See, this is x-axis and y-axis. Parallel. Parallel lines have the same inclination because corresponding angles are equal. Theta, theta. So tan theta will be equal. So slope m1 and m2 must be equal for parallel lines. Okay. Slope of a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to what, Tanmayi?
Sir, slope is equal to minus A1 by B1, sir.
So slope is m1. Let us call it first line slope m1. It is minus a1 by
B1, sir.
b1. Similarly, slope of second line a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0 is m2 is equal to what?
Minus A2 by B2, sir.
Now the lines are parallel, suppose. The lines are parallel. Implies m1 must be equal to m2. Implies minus a1 by b1 should be equal to minus a2 by b2. Implies a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2. Okay, minus we have cancelled and we have taken alternando, that is called alternando a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2. So we have proved this condition. And from that we will get this condition, that is the determinant of the two lines must be 0. Okay, we will derive the formula for perpendicular lines also. The lines are perpendicular. Implies what? What is the condition in m1 and m2? M1 into M2 is equal to minus 1. Implies minus A1 by B1, that is M1, into minus A2 by B2, that is M2, should be equal to minus 1. So implies minus minus plus. So A1 by A2 by B1 by B2. Sorry, a1 into a2 by b1 into b2 is equal to minus 1. Cross multiply. a1 a2 is equal to minus b1 b2. So a1 a2 plus b1 b2 should be 0. Please remember these two conditions. If the lines are parallel, then a1 by a2 must be equal to b1 by b2. The lines are perpendicular, see. The product is like this. This is called the dot product. In physics you must have seen the dot product of two vectors. a1i plus b1j plus c1k, a2i plus b2j plus c2k. What is the dot product? a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2. Is it not? Similarly here dot product of two lines means a1 a2 plus b1 b2. Okay, don't take constants. Constants will not play any role in parallel and perpendicular conditions. Okay, they have no role to play. So a1 a2 plus b1 b2 is equal to 0. Let us go forward. Remember these two formulas. Parallel lines, condition is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2. Perpendicular lines, a1 into a2 plus b1 into b2 is equal to 0. Okay, let us see Now two examples. 3x minus 5y plus 11 is equal to 0. 2x plus ky plus 13 is equal to 0 are parallel. Shilpita, are you there in the class?
Yes, sir.
Now find the value of k. Given that the two lines are parallel, find the value of k. Come on, tell me, how do you proceed? For parallel, what is the condition?
Sir, A1 B2 minus A2 B1 is equal to
A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2. Okay. Parallel, what is the condition? A1 by A2 is equal to?
B1 by B2.
Come on. X coefficients ratio must be equal to Y coefficients ratio. Come on, tell me, what is the 3 by? Come on.
3 by 2 is equals to minus 5 by k, sir.
So therefore k is equal to what?
Minus 10 by 3, sir.
Minus 10 by 3. That's all. If the lines are to be parallel, the value of k must be minus 10 by 3. Now, Shilpita, another question, perpendicular. Say 4x plus 3y plus 11 is equal to 0 and kx plus 5y plus 2 is equal to 0 are perpendicular lines. Find the value of k. Now, Shilpita, I will write two lines, a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. For these two lines to be perpendicular, what is the condition? Tell me.
Sir, A1 A2 by B1 B1.
A1 A2 plus, not by. A1 A2 dot product of two vectors. A1 A2
Plus B1 B2 is equals to 0.
you are saying A1 A2 by. No, not A1 A2 by. A1 A2 plus B1 B2 is equal to 0. Okay. A1 A2 plus B1 B2. In physics you have seen the dot product. A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 is equal to 0. Here of course C1 C2 will not be there. So this is the condition. Using that condition, now tell me, what should I write here?
Sir, 4k plus 15 is equals to 0.
4k plus 3 into 5 should be 0. That means 4k plus 15 is equal to 0. Means k is equal to what?
Minus 15 by 4.
Minus 15 by 4. So if the lines are to be perpendicular, k must be minus 15 by 4. Then only they will be perpendicular. Okay, parallel lines, perpendicular lines. And now one more thing. A1x plus B1y plus C1 is equal to 0. A2x plus B2y plus C2 is equal to 0 are coincident lines. I will explain. Coincident lines means what? Are coincident lines implies and is implied by A1 by B1 is equal to, sorry, A1 by A2. A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. Okay. Coincident line means same line. They will not represent different lines. They are the same lines only. For example, 3x plus 2y plus 5 is equal to 0. Now 6x plus 4y plus 10 equal to 0. A1 by A2 means what? A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. The condition will be satisfied here. You can see 3 by 6 is equal to 2 by 4 is equal to 5 by 10. All of them equal to 1 by 2 only. That means the second equation is just first equation. Second equation nothing but first equation multiplied by 2 only. If the first equation is multiplied by 2, you are getting the second equation. That means they are the same line only. Every point that satisfies the first equation also satisfies the second equation. So therefore they are not different lines. First line is this one. Second line also same line only. Overlapping. Okay. For parallel lines, what is the condition? A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2. Parallel lines. They are parallel lines, but there is some gap between them here. But here coincident lines means these are parallel lines. Coincident line means they are parallel lines only, but the distance between them is 0. The distance between them is 0. Say two lines just coincide. Then what is the condition? A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2 also. First two are equal means they are parallel. They are equal to C1 by C2 also means the distance between them is 0. Okay. So this is the condition. Now three conditions you have to remember. Parallel lines, what is the condition, Shilpita? A1 by A2. Perpendicular lines, what is the condition? Coincident lines, same line again. Coincident line. That means they are not different lines, only single line only. Okay, so these are the formulas you should remember. Okay, what is the time? Let us see. 11:19. Okay. So parallel lines, perpendicular lines, coincident lines. Now general equation is general form of the equation of the line is what, Shilpita? Of course, we have put this in the slope intercept form. Y is equal to mx plus c. We have put how? We have written by is equal to minus ax minus c. Then we have divided by b. So minus a by b into x plus minus c by b. Now comparing this with our slope intercept form, m equal to slope equal to minus a by b. C means y-intercept. Y-intercept is what? Minus c by b. Now same general equation, let us put it in the intercept form. Come on, what is the intercept form, Shilpita? So in this form I want to put it. So what should we do first? Constant must be taken to the right side. Ax plus by is equal to minus c. First we should take the constant to other side. Then see in the normal intercept form, right side constant is 1. So we have to make 1. So what should we do, Shilpita, to make 1 on the right side? Correct. Divide by minus c. Then you get ax by minus c plus by minus c is equal to 1. But it is still not in the intercept form. In the intercept form, x by a, x must be alone in the numerator. Y must be alone in the numerator, second term. Okay. Therefore, so if I want to write, I have to remove a from that. So x by what? Tell me, Shilpita. X by minus c by a. Minus c by a. Come on, plus y by. I want to bring b to the denominator. What should I do? Minus c by b. Okay, so numerator a and b, we have to remove them and put in the denominator. But while putting in the denominator, they will become like this: minus c by a minus c by c is equal to 1. Now it is exactly in the form what? X by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Right hand side constant should be 1, and in the left hand side, in the numerator, x should be alone, nothing else beside it. Similarly, y should be alone. Therefore, here in the intercept form, what is a? Is it x intercept or y intercept? Shilpita. B is what? So therefore, what is the x intercept of this line? What is the y intercept of the line? Minus c by b. Here you see, here also y intercept is minus c by b. Here also same thing we get. Do you understand? Because we have taken the same line only. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 line only. We have put here in the slope intercept form. Here we have put in the intercept form. But anyway, whatever is the form, y-intercept must be same for the same line, is it not? So y-intercept is minus c by b. So like this we can put the general form into various different forms. Right. Now important thing, most important thing, normal form. General form, how to put it in the normal form. Madhuri, are you there in the class? Madhuri? Madhuri, are you there in the class? Okay. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, general form. Now this general form I want to put it in normal form. What is the normal form? Tell me first. Come on, what is the normal? Normal form means what is the equation?
Sir, x cos alpha.
Very good.
Sir, x cos alpha
Huh.
plus y sin alpha is equals to p.
Is equal to p. What is the important condition there?
P is greater than 0, sir.
P must be positive. Correct. This is called normal form. Okay. Now I want to put ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 in normal form. Now two cases will arise. Case 1. Case 1, c is negative. Case 2, case 1, c is negative. Case 2, c is positive. Okay. So what we should do is, say in the normal form, x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p is called the normal form. You can see that the constant is on the right side. So here also we have to take the constant to the right side. So first we take the equation ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So ax plus by is equal to minus c. Now Madhuri, in this case, because we are assuming that c is negative, what about minus c?
Minus c is positive, sir.
Minus c is positive or negative?
Positive, sir.
Positive, because c itself is negative. See, this case is, we are assuming, for example, 3x plus 4y minus 5 equal to 0. C is minus 5. If it goes to the right side, it becomes plus 5. Okay, minus of minus 5, that becomes plus 5. So C is positive. Right side constant must be positive. Okay, now Remember that minus c is positive. It may be looking like a negative number. Just by seeing it, minus c means you may think that it is negative number, but it is actually positive number because here c is negative. Then what you have to do is divide by root of a square plus b square. This is important. Divide by root of a square plus b square. Then what happens? A by root of a square plus b square into x plus b by root of a square plus b square into y is equal to minus c by root of a square plus b square. Okay. Now consider a triangle, right angle triangle, in which theta is an angle and A is one side and B is another side. What is the hypotenuse, Madhuri?
Root over a square plus b square.
So, now what is cos theta from the diagram?
A by root over a
Let us take that angle as not theta but alpha. Okay, what is cos alpha, Madhuri?
square. A by root over a square plus b square.
So that is here in the equation. A by root of a square plus b square is nothing but what? Cos alpha. So x cos alpha, first term. From the diagram, what is sin alpha, Madhuri?
B by root over a square plus b square.
That is here. B by root of a square plus b square is nothing but sin alpha. So y sin alpha is equal to, in place of p, minus c by root of a square plus b square is there. That is p. Okay. So a by root of a square plus b square, if it is cos of some angle, then b by root of a square plus b square will be sine of the same angle. Same angle. So right side p. P, remember that this is positive. It may be looking like negative, but it is positive. This is the first case. Second case, what do? Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. C is positive, so if c goes to the right side, it becomes minus c, it becomes negative. So therefore, what happens here is ax plus by will go to the other side. C will remain there only, but ax plus by, they will go to the other side. What happens then? Minus ax minus by is equal to c. Okay. Ax plus by go to the other side, minus ax plus minus by is equal to c. Right side c is positive. Right side quantity must be positive. Again divide by root of a square plus b square. Divide by root of a square plus b square. Okay. Divide by root of a square plus b square. Then you get minus a by root of a square plus b square into x minus b by root of plus minus b by root of a square plus b square into y is equal to c by root of a square plus b. Now minus a by root of a square plus b square may be, if it is sin alpha, then minus b by root of a square plus b square will be cos alpha for the same angle. And right side c by root of a square plus b square, that is p is positive. Okay, so this is the method. If the constant is positive, then ax plus by should go to the other side. Then divide by root of a square plus b square. Okay, then you can put it in the normal form. Okay, students, the time is up. We'll close it here. Tomorrow we'll meet again at 9 o'clock. Thank you very much. Stop share.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. Thank you. End class. End meeting for all.